In this video, I will show you how to import an email list on Getresponse. If you don't have an account, then click the link in the description and get 30 days free trial. Click Contacts. Then Create List. Put a list name here, then click Create. Now click on the list drop-down and click Add Contacts. Then choose Upload a File option. Here you can use CSV, TXT, and other supported files. Drag the file and drop it here. Choose Add and Update Existing. Checkmark I have permission, then click Next. It automatically detects first name, last name, and email field. Need to assign a field for the phone number. Then click Import on the bottom. It will take some time to finish the import. We can see the list import is finished now. Getresponse has its own system to check invalid email. This feature is so useful when you import any large email list. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel to get upcoming videos.